I welcome you to the lecture series on DBMS, Database Management System. And today our topic is keys. So, you know that how much important role that is played by key in case of our DBMS. So, we have to have a very clear understanding of each of the different keys that we are going to use in our DBMS. First of all, key, if I am representing key by k, then this is a subset of R, and this R is our relational schema. So key is a super key of R if values for k are sufficient to identify unique tuple of each of the possible relation R. This means what? So super key is those values which can uniquely identify the tuples of every possible relation, that is R. R means, in our normal case we used to say tables. Okay, for example, ID, name, or ID department name, these are the super keys for our instructor table. And you guys already know that what is that instructor table because we have gone through it many times. And in the practical session also, we have already created table for the instructor table. Okay. Then super key concept is clear to you. Now, candidate key. What is candidate key? First of all, that should be a super key. And a super key is a candidate key if k is minimal. Minimal in the sense that the minimum number of attributes that we are going to use to represent that super key. For example, in the above case, you see that ID is a super key, name is a super key, again ID comma department name, both of them together forming a super key. But if I'm going to take or consider candidate key, then we are not going to, or I'm not going to consider this one, because minimum number of attributes, that is one, present in the former two cases. So ID and name are both candidate keys for the instructor. Okay, so that is our minimal super key. Okay, then one of the candidate keys, because you know that ID we have one candidate key, name we have another candidate key, but I'm not going to use both of them. I'm going to use only one of them. So one of the candidate keys is selected to be the primary key. Means primary key is any one of them. Say in our case name, or say in our case ID. So that one which I have used is known as primary key. If I want to draw a Venn diagram, then this will be the Venn diagram. You will see that super key is this a bigger set, and under that we have candidate key. Okay, then we have primary key. This one is the primary key. Clear? So I hope this concept of super key, candidate key, and primary key is very clear to you. And believe me, this is very important, and I have seen at a lot of guys who are not clear with the basic concept of this super key, candidate key, and primary key, and the differences among them. I hope this lecture will help you to clear those basic concept, basic and very important concepts regarding that. So meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.